Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file unfiled taxes. First, gather all your income documents, such as W-2 and 1099 forms, for every period you need to file. Next, collect any records of deductions or credits you might be eligible for, like mortgage interest or student loan interest statements. This initial organization is crucial for a smooth filing process, ensuring you have all the necessary information at your fingertips before you begin preparing your returns. Once your documents are organized, it's time to prepare your tax returns. You can use tax software, hire a tax professional, or download the necessary forms directly from the IRS website. Be sure to calculate any potential penalties and interest that might apply to your unfiled returns. Accuracy is key here, so double-check all your entries and ensure every required schedule and form is completed correctly before moving on. With your returns prepared, the next step is filing them. Mail your completed tax returns to the correct IRS address for each period. If you owe taxes, include your payment with the return or explore setting up an installment agreement with the IRS. If you face significant financial hardship, you might consider an offer in compromise, which allows certain taxpayers to resolve their tax liability for a lower amount than what they originally owe. After you've filed, the IRS will process your returns, which can take several weeks or even months. You may receive a notice from them, so be sure to respond promptly to any correspondence or requests for additional information. It's vital to keep copies of all your filed returns and supporting documentation for at least 3 years or even longer for your records. This ensures you have proof of filing and can address any future inquiries.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.